It's Sunny Beach Life, it's June, we go for a drink and then we're going to show you one of our favourite restaurants. Susan has another chicken curry. It's a curry quest. And here's the bill, how to look at the bill. And then we go to Jokers. Susan wants to win some money at bingo, but then we go and show you the new look Route 66. And Dobberden
everybody.
from sunny beach.
I'm from Spiders tonight.
First time in Spiders in the evening having a drink because Susan wants to go and play bingo. I want to stay at home. But okay, I'll come out, so we'll go and eat. So we're having a drink in Spiders and we're going for a little bit of eat. Susan's going to play exciting bingo and I'm going to have a walk around a couple of other bars, have a look around.
I'm only playing bingo if I get sold the winning ticket.
Yeah, so Stewart, Susan needs a winning ticket again because we're poor church mice and we need the winnings.
We do. So let's have our drink in Spiders and then we might get something to eat before we go play bingo. Or I play bingo.
I'm not playing bingo. The prices are basically what they were last year. Lubo, they're very good here. Lubo's a lovely guy. He's our neighbour in the village, lives in Kosheritsa. And yeah, prices are pretty good. And I'm going to go with a schnitzel, pork one.
And I'm going to try the chicken curry. I'm trying various curries to see what they all look like.
Yeah, I like a real piece of meat, so I'm going to have a schnitzel, which should be quite tasty. Of course, I'm on the beer tonight. I've got a little beer, and Susan's on Fanta.
Yeah, I'm behaving myself. After my 4 o'clock night the other night.
We had a rather bad night, so she's on the Fanta, but also she's driving us home because I didn't want to stay in the resort tonight. I want to be at home tomorrow morning. So let's have a nice sober night.
It does look amazing.
Butter covered in parsley on the top, really, really nice.
Thank you,
Very
Diana.
hot, smells amazing. Susan's got a curry.
Oh yeah, that smells lovely. I wish we had smelly vision, one of our sayings.
Yeah, but this is going to be very, very tasty. And I'm going to get on and eat it because I don't want to get cold.
Oh no. Doesn't that look yummy?
It smells absolutely amazing. It smells fantastic. Yeah, it's a really nice plate as well, nice square plate. Really sets it off. And there's chicken curry.
With rice and chips.
Rice, yeah.
Half and half, they call it.
That'll fill you up, won't it? It looks
will.
absolutely
Delicious.
delicious.
I'll tell you if it is when I've finished eating it.
The thing is, this restaurant's really popular with the Germans because a lot of our German subscribers, you know who you are, come in here and they're always recommending Oasis. So it's nice to come in, have a meal here. And that's why I'm probably picking a schnitzel. They obviously know how to cook that.
Well, my chicken curry, this is lovely. It's really creamy. I've started eating mine. Andrew's still looking at his.
Yeah. If we turn the camera off, I'm going to eat my food now. And if you're enjoying the video, Nitisni Butona, please hit that like button. Really helps us with the algorithm, gets the video shown to more people who might be interested in coming to Sunny Beach.
Say something. Well, here you are, dear. Here's your bill.
Thank you. Now, one of the quirks in Bulgaria is, here's the bill, and it's no good. people say, why do you put the bill on the picture up of the bill? I said, well, it's pointless because the bill is actually in Bulgarian. Even though the menu is easy to read, it's got English all over it, no problem. They have to do the bill in Bulgarian. The only way around that is to have your phone with you before you come on holiday. Make sure you got Google Translate. You can take a photograph of the bill, it will translate it for you, so you've got no problem working out what you're getting charged for. But we look at the bill and we go, just look at the numbers because I can't work it all out. Susan does afterwards. She takes it home, translates it quite often and writes it all down. We did it for the video.
Well, I usually do that more from the supermarkets, but...
Yeah. But anyway, the thing is, don't worry when your bill comes in Bulgarian. Just take a photograph, just do it with your translate on your phone. You can then check what the bill is.
What they've charged you.
Yeah, what they charge you for. Simple. Anyway, that was really good, so I enjoyed that.
My chicken curry, that was lovely. Oh, I feel full now. I don't think I'll be dancing tonight.
I've got to pay this now.
Yeah.
That's the end of the fun evening. The fun has stopped for the shopping video, which costs money, and now we've got this one as well. Never ends. Well, that was really, really nice.
Oh, it was delicious. I'm full now.
And it came really hot as well, because we keep saying this, but in Eastern Europe, unless you're in a tourist restaurant, they don't really like their food really hot.
No, it's a health thing for them. They think hot food isn't healthy.
Yeah, it's not good to eat it steaming hot and bubbling like the English and British do. So the thing is, if you go to the local grills, a Bulgarian grill, there's lots of them around, self-service grills. Quite often we ask for them to ping the food. Can you sort of heat it up for us?
Yeah, just warm it up, top low, warm it up.
Yeah, we're not going to eat it like everybody else. Can you? We're British. Can you heat it up, please?
Anyway, that was lovely. So we're leaving the Oasis now. So if you're here, it's great. The seats we had, you could just watch the world go by.
Yeah, Susan's going to get a bingo in. At least one game.
Come on.
See if she can lose some more money.
Hi, Sunny Beach Live. Like, follow, subscribe.
Yay!
The Tishny Butona.
The Tishny
Butona. Go on, girl.
Number 2. Thank you, Quackers. 7-0, 3 scoring 10, blind is 17. 3-0 is Dirty Gertie, blind 30. All the ones was sexy, like number 1.
And while Susan's playing bingo, I actually have a wander around. I don't like bingo. I go and have a chat with the guys in the Bacardi bar next door. This bar has been here for a very long time. Very friendly. They've got a few customers in, but they've only just literally opened a couple of days before. It's nice to see you open.
Oh, and it is a shame, everybody. I do miss Chris. I do miss my hug. I do miss him shouting, "Come on into my bar." So, rest in peace, Chris. We love you.
Route 66 has changed. Stage and band have gone. But the new guys performing here are really good. Just totally different what we had before. The stage has been lost, there's just seating up here now. No big rock band to listen to. It's just changed the atmosphere completely. But there you go. Sunny Beach changes every single year. We can't rely on everything staying the same. It's been really amazing. We just walked out of this bar, Route 66. I just bumped the first person to shake my hand, getting off his bicycle, is Freddie Mercury. Closely followed by Tom Jones. And the girlfriend turns up, he's half the ABBA as well, ABBA tribute. So I've just met three amazing stars of the world stage, enormous people in Sunny Beach.
Nice young people, they were really lovely. So we're going
Yeah,
to
the tribute acts, they do the hotels and the bars, and when you're here, you can get some great shows and have a bit of fun.
Yeah, but anyway, we're going to leave Route 66 now. It's great in there, so if you come to Sunny Beach, give Route 66 a go. It's brilliant.
Yeah, a bit of karaoke there at the moment. So it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
If you want to know what it's like in Sunny Beach from the very start of the season to the very end of the season, please subscribe. We only live 15 minutes from the middle of the resort. We've got an apartment right in the centre, so we're very often staying the evening, sampling the bars and the restaurants and telling you of our experience of being in Sunny Beach in Bulgaria. So please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks a lot.